Welcome back to Amazing Car, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cars, exploring the latest models, their performance, and design. Today, we're looking at the 2025 Toyota Prius, a vehicle that's evolved into a symbol of innovation and eco-friendliness. From its cutting-edge design to its impressive performance, the 2025 Prius is a true standout in the hybrid car market. Let's start with the design. Toyota has completely revamped the Prius, making it sleeker and more aerodynamic than ever before. The bold lines and modern front grille give it a more aggressive stance, while the roofline has been lowered for a sportier profile. The result is a car that looks fast, even when standing still. Inside, the cabin is a blend of technology and comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large, easy-to-read touchscreen, while high-quality materials throughout the interior create a premium feel. Ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury, and the spaciousness of the cabin makes it feel much roomier than its exterior would suggest. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Prius is powered by a more efficient hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency. The new electric motor and gasoline engine work seamlessly together, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the Prius offers a quiet and comfortable ride. As for features, the Prius comes loaded with advanced technology, including a new suite of safety features like Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Additionally, the Prius is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. The 2025 Toyota Prius is the perfect combination of style, performance, and eco-consciousness. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver or a car that makes a statement, the Prius delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning into Amazing Car, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.